Today we discuss the topic lattice. First of all, we define the terms join and meet. Join of two elements A join B. Read this symbol as A join B. A join B means the least upper bound of the elements A and B. A join B means the least upper bound of the elements A and B. Here this is the representation of a partially ordered set and in a Hayes diagram. Here 4 join 8. The least upper bound of 4 and 8 is 16. Upper bound of 4 and 8 is 16. So its the least upper bound is also 16. And 2 join 4. Upper bound of 2 and 4 is 8 and 16. The least upper bound is 8. Again, least upper bound or join of 1 and 4. Join of 1 and 4 is also 8. Next we define the term meet. A meet B. This representation read as A meet B. A meet B means greatest lower bound of A and B. Greatest lower bound of A and B represented as A meet B. In this Hayes diagram, 4 meet 8. 4 meet 8. The lower bound of 4 and 8 are 2 and 1. So greatest lower bound is 2. So 4 meet 8 is 2. Also 16 meet 8. The lower bound of 16 and 8 are 4, 2, 1. And the greatest lower bound is 4. So here 16 meet 8 is equal to 4. Now we define the term join semilattice, meet semilattice and lattice. A partially ordered set. A partially ordered set means set L together with a partial order relation. This less than or equal to represent a relation, a partial order relation. So consider a partial ordered set in which every pair of elements has a least upper bound, then it is called a join semilattice. If we choose any pair of elements, we get a least upper bound, then that ordered pairs, partially ordered set is called join semilattice. If we choose a partially ordered set L less than or equal to in which every pair of elements has a greatest lower bound, okay, then it is meet semilattice. In a partially ordered set, every pair of elements has a least upper bound. Then it is join semilattice, and the greatest lower bound, then it is a meet semilattice. If a partially ordered set in which every pair of elements has a least upper bound and greatest lower bound, a least upper bound and a greatest lower bound, then it is called a lattice. Okay. That means a lattice is both join semilattice and a meet semilattice. Now we consider some Hayes diagrams. In the first Hayes diagram, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Here the set is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and the operation defined here is divisible by 2 is divisible by 1 and 4 is divisible by 2, etc. If we choose any two numbers or a pair of numbers, 2 join 4, 2 join 4, here it is 8. And 2 meet 4, here it is 1. So if we choose any pair of elements, we get a least upper bound, also a greatest lower bound. In this Hayes diagram, choose any two numbers, we get a least upper bound and a greatest lower bound. Therefore, this partially ordered set is a lattice. Is the second one a lattice? It's a partially ordered set. It's a partially ordered set because this Hayes diagram represents the partially ordered relation of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is this a lattice? If we consider 1 join 2, 1 join 2, then it is 4. What is 4 join 5? The two elements in the poset is 4 and 5. 4 join 5. The upper bound of 4 and 5 is not exist. Therefore, 4 join 5 not exist. That means this partially ordered set is not a lattice. If it is a lattice, every pair of elements join exist. Also, for every pair of elements, meet exist. Here 4 join 5 is not exist, therefore this is not a lattice. 4 join 5 not exist, not a lattice, not a join semi-lattice. Is it a meet semi-lattice? Meet semi-lattice means for any pair of elements there exists a greatest lower bound. If you choose any two pair of elements, if 2 meet 3 is equal to 1 and 4 meet 2 is equal to 1. Similarly, for any pair of elements we get the greatest lower bound. Therefore, this this partially ordered set is a meet semi-lattice. Meet semi-lattice. If we get a join, if we get this type of joining in the lower portion, then definitely that meet semi-lattice exists. Also, if we get a join here in the upper portion, we get a join semi-lattice also. Okay. Consider another example. In this poset, is it a lattice? Definitely it is not a lattice because A join B not exist because A and B have no common upper bounds. So A join B not exist. Therefore, not a lattice, not a join semi-lattice also. Is it a meet semi-lattice? Definitely it's a meet semi-lattice if we consider any pair of elements. D meet E is F and C meet B is D. Similarly, if we choose any pair of elements, we get a greatest lower bound. Therefore, this is a meet semi-lattice. In the fourth example, if we choose any pair of elements, we get join of that elements, also the meet of that elements. Okay, 4 join 6. 4 join 6 is 12 and 4 meet 6. What is 4 meet 6? 4 meet 6 is 2. Similarly, we can find any pair of elements, we find the join and meet of that element. So, definitely this example, this partially ordered set is a lattice. Consider the fifth example. Here the elements are 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 2 join 3. What is 2 join 3? 2 join 3 is 6. Least upper bound of 2 and 3 is 6. What is 2 meet 3? Lower bound of 2 and 3 not exist. Therefore, this is not a lattice. Also, not a meet semi-lattice. Not a meet semi-lattice. Is it a joint semi-lattice? Definitely. For every pair of elements, we find the join of that elements. Therefore, this is a joint semi-lattice. This example is a joint semi-lattice. Okay.